For over 35 years, through every deep freeze and heat wave, families have trusted us to keep their homes comfortable. We ensure your heating and cooling systems are ready for all of Alberta's seasons. Heating, cooling, and plumbing emergencies don't wait for business hours. Our certified technicians provide 24/7 emergency response to restore your comfort and peace of mind. We know every Alberta home is unique. We assess your specific needs and recommend the right equipment for our climate and your budget. Choose Romaniuk Heating and Air Conditioning for reliable local service near Edmonton, Red Deer, and surrounding areas. Call or visit our website today.